ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरो वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। I'm sharing a PDF file. You can see. In last class we were practicing this. So we will continue. Do you see the PDF file?
Yes, Guruji.
Okay. So do you remember where we left in the last class, any one of you?
Yes, it is at
Yeah.
after the dear picture to the right side. Vimalam Visham Idam Himam. That's where we were.
This is the one? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's the one to the right side.
Yeah.
We
Now
are doing the right side.
Yeah, now next one. Right. Okay. Next page.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we will continue with reading words, and after that we will start reading sentences and then shlokas. So this is how we are going to proceed. Now Manjula ji, you can, sorry, Girija ji, you can read. Girija ji, you can read
Namaste. Hari Om. Yep.
from the left hand side. Yeah.
Yeah. Gita, Geetam, Dhiraha, Dinaha, Sita, Sitam,
Sheetam.
Veeraha.
It is Sheetam. Okay.
Dinaha, Nadi Vahati, Nadi Jala, Sheetam. Okay. Yeah. Nadi Vahati, Nadi Jalam, Sheetalam.
After reading one sentence, give a pause. After reading one pause, so that others also can follow.
Okay.
And I also, if I want to say something, let's say. Yeah.
Okay. I'll start again. Nadi Vahati, Nadi Jalam, Sheetalam, Gita, Nadi Tiram, Yati, Janani, Jalam, Anayati, Samiraha, Geetam, Gayati, Bakaha, Meenam, Khadati, Dhivaraha, Jalam, Kshipati.
Jalam. Jalam.
Huh?
Jalam.
Yeah,
not
Jalam.
Jalam.
Sorry. Sorry. Dhivaraha, Jalam, Kshipati.
Dhivaraha means fisherman. Jalam is net. Jalam is water. Kshipati is throws. So he throws the net, not the jalam. The fisherman throws the net to catch.
Okay.
Yeah, to catch fish. Okay.
Gita Gayati Geetam, Sita Dhavati Bheetam.
Okay. Next person. Meaning is not required. This is only reading. Meaning part we will
Okay.
see later. Next person, Manjulaji. You can read.
Yeah, Guruji.
Yeah.
Mukham, Ayuhu, Rahuhu, Dayaluhu, Sukham, Vayuhu, Bahuhu, Bhayaluhu. Shukaha, Phalam Khadati. Sita, Shukam, Ramanam, Shikshayati.
Ramanama.
Ramanama, Shikshayati. Shukaha, Rama, iti, Puna ratati.
Punaha ratati.
Sorry, Guruji. Rama iti punaha ratati. Rishihi lavam kusham cha Ramayanam pathayati. Ramanamam ativa madhuram.
Ramanama, not mum. Ramanamam, no. Ramanama.
Ramanama ativa madhuram. Gunavati Sita Sada Ramanama Japati.
Good. Next person, Prabhakarji.
Yes, Guruji. Hari Om. Hari Om, Guruji.
Yeah, please continue reading.
Pada likacha.
Patha
Ka
likacha.
Pata likacha. Ka shadi masi nari nila pita shima Sima Shagi Saki Gati
Khati. It is kha. It is kha, not ga. Kha.
Kati Rajani Vijanam Atitam Jivanam Samipam Navanitam Ka Sitalam Paniyam Anitam.
Sheetalam paniyam anitam. It's a sentence now. It's not individual.
Okay,
words.
sentence now.
It's a sentence.
Okay, Guruji. Sitalam Paniyam Anitayatam. Pipilaka
Pipilika.
Vishanam Pipilika Vishanam Pitayati.
Pidayati.
Pidayati.
Pipilika bhishanam pidayati.
Pidayati. Okay. Bani Vinam Vatayati.
Vadayati. Vada. It is the Vadayati.
Vadayati. Viraha Bitaha na Vivati.
Bhavati.
Oh, Bhavati. Sorry, Guruji.
Veeraha bhitaha na bhavati. A warrior will never become covered. That's the meaning. Veeraha bhitaha na bhavati. Okay.
Continue.
Yeah, please.
Okay. Repa plus U is Ru. Taruhu Maruhu, Guruhu.
Yes.
Shrut, Shrutva, Lika. Ka, Likhu.
Laghu.
Lagu, Bahu, Guha,
Guha. Good.
Guha, Kutta,
Utha.
Uguna, Aguna,
Aduna. It is not gu. It is
Aduna,
gu.
Aduna.
Aduna. You can zoom. If it is
Aduna.
not clear, you can zoom your screen. If I zoom my screen, others cannot see.
I can zoom it.
You can zoom. Your screen can zoom.
Okay, great. I'll do it. Aguna. Duha,
Dukham.
Dukham. Dukham. Okay. So you don't read this as
Duhukam. Yes, we don't read as Duhukam. We read it as Dukham. You can note.
Dukham. Okay. Dukham. Okay. Puratanam. Puratanam. Pashuhu. Sishuhu.
Shishuhu. Pashuhu.
Sishuhu.
Shishuhu.
Pashuhu. Shishuhu. Gunaha. Gunaha.
Gunaha. Yes.
Nakulaha. Upayaha. Buddhavaraha. Gunavana. Okay. Gunavan. Gunavati. Ka. Ruchihi. Biruhu. Purushaha. Karuna. Garudaha. Guruvaraha. Raja. Guru. Okay. Raja Guruha.
Guruhu.
Guru. Gurutam. Guruta.
Good. Are you learning Sanskritam first time or do you know before? Have you learned somewhere?
Guruji, this is my first, this is my
Good. You have
probably
picked
3
up.
months into the session.
Yeah, you have picked up a lot. You can read now. It's good.
Yes, Guruji. It still takes time, but thank you very much.
Yeah, it's good. You have started reading. It's a big thing. Letter by letter. Yes.
I have no exposure to Hindi or so that's my challenge.
Yeah, it's good. Very good. Yeah, nice. Priyaji, next person.
Thank you.
Read on the right hand side. I will minimize. You can zoom your screen so that, because if I zoom, I won't be able to see my screen. Yeah, you can read from the right hand side.
Kulam, Kupaha, Tudaha, Dushanam, Moolam, Tubaha,
Dhupaha.
Tupaha, Bhutaha, Bhushanam.
Yeah. Sentences now.
Sharanji, would you please make it little bigger?
Can you see now?
Yes, Ji. Atuna,
Adhuna.
Atuna,
See,
Puja.
Adhuna. Adhuna. Adhuna.
Atuna,
It is
Puja.
dhu. No, again, it is dhu, Mahaprana, aspirate. So you have to say dhu, adhuna.
Aduna.
You can still give emphasis on the letter dhu. Dhu.
Aduna.
Yeah.
Puja bhavati.
Adhuna puja bhavati. Sentence.
Okay.
First you read
Adhuna.
word by word and then read the full sentence.
Okay, ji. Aduna puja bhavati. Mushaka parivaraha ganapatim pujayati. Tusharaha mushakaha pujakaha
Dhusaraha.
Dusaraha mushakaha pujakaha saha gananadaya
Gananathaya, not Gananathaya. Gananathaya.
gananadaya.
Because na is short, not na, right?
Okay, ji. Gananadaya kusumam tadati.
So this is sentence. You have read Saha Gananathaya Kusumam Dadhati. Now you have to read together. Saha Gananathaya Kusumam Dadhati.
Gananadaya. Okay, ji.
After reading
This is
word by word, read the full sentence. See, now in English, how do you read? He is a boy. He is a boy. The same way.
okay. A bit challenging. Dusara mushika dupam tadati. Dusara mushika dupam tadati.
Again, dusara. It's not dusara. Dusara.
Sorry, yeah. Mushara.
Dusara.
Dushara. Sorry. Dushara mushika.
Dusara, not shara. Sa. Dental. It is dental sakara.
Dusara mushika tubam tadati.
Read again. What's the sentence?
Dusara mushika tubam tadati.
No pause between. No pause is there, but not too much. Again.
Dusara mushika tudam tadati.
Not dudam. Dupam.
Tubam
Dusara mushika
Sorry.
dhupam dadati.
tadati.
Dusara mushika dhupam dadati. Say again.
Tadati. Dushara mushika tubam tadati.
Tongue twister. Okay. Next one.
Shishish. Shishu mushakaha duram
Not duram. Turam.
turam vadayati. Shishu mushika phalam anayati.
Shishu.
Mudaha.
Shishu moshika is one word. Shishu moshakaha is one word. So you have to read as a word. Shishu moshika. Shishu moshakaha. Shishu moshika jalam anayati. Shishu moshakaha turam vadayati. Okay. Continue.
Okay. Okay, ji. Mudaha kudam na janati.
Again.
Mudaha.
Mudaha, not mudaha. Mudaha.
Mudaha.
Mudaha. Gudam na janati.
Mudaha gudam na janati.
Mudaha gudam na janati. Read again. Say again after me. Mudaha gudam na janati.
Mudaha gudam na janati.
As a sentence, not as an individual word. Mudaha gudam na janati.
Mudaha Gudam na janati.
Good. This is how to read it. Okay. Next person. Annapurna ji, you can read the next one.
Om Namah Shivaya.
Yeah, please. Do you see the screen? This
Yes.
Pritha and all. Okay, you can read.
Hold on 1 second. Okay. Om.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can read. Yeah.
Pruta.
Mm-hmm.
Grutam. Runam. Drushihi.
Rishihi.
Drushihi.
Rishihi, not Rishihi. Rishihi. Ru is short. Short vowel.
Drushihi.
Yeah.
Gruta. Trutam.
Good.
Tunam.
Trunam.
Trunam. Krishihi.
Krishihi. Rishihi. Krishihi. Runam. Trunam.
Krishihi.
Ghrutam. Dhrutam. Pritha. Vritha. You can see similarity and also dissimilarity.
Mhm.
Some letters are similar and some letters dissimilar. Dhru, dhru. Ghru is guttural. Dhru is dental. Ghrutam, dhrutam. The first line is ghrutam. It is guttural. Gha. Second line, dhru. It is dental. Dhrutam. So to distinguish the sound, he has given the words. Okay, continue.
One second. Okay. Nidigasan Samayaha.
Read letter by letter. What's the first letter?
Ni.
Then
Nida. Gasa. Ma. Yam. Yaha. Sorry.
now together.
Nidiga.
Why Nidhi? You said
Sam.
Ni da. You read before Ni. Ni, da, gha, sa, ma, yaha. Read now.
Nida. Ka. Sama. Yaha.
Okay, read as a word now. Nidagha samayagha.
Nidaga Samayaha.
That's it.
Nidaga Samayaha.
Nidagha samayagha.
Nidaga Masayaha.
No. Nidagha samayagha.
Nidaga Samayaha.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
In the middle. Okay.
Continue.
Okay. Kakaha.
Ka kaha. Ka kaha.
Kakaha. Vriksha. Chayayam.
Chayayam. Okay, you can do one thing. I'll give simple words. This seems to be difficult. Now, on the right hand side, words, individual words are there. You can read.
Okay. Shru.
Yeah. Shrutva. Shrutva.
Shrutva.
Hmm.
Likha.
Shrutva likha. Yes.
Shrutva likha.
Yeah. You can read the words given below.
Puja. Bhumika. Tulika.
Tulika.
Tulika. Kujati. Purayati.
Good. Yeah. It's good. Hmm.
Suchayati.
Good. Suchayati. Sucha.
Suchayati.
Yes.
Pujayati.
Good. Hmm.
Duram.
Duram.
Duram. Puranam.
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 All these are long vowel. Pu, bhu, tu, ku. Right? It's a long. U is there. That is why in the beginning itself, repa plus u, ru is given. Rupam, arudha, nirupanam. At the top it's given, no?
Yes.
All long u.
Hmm.
Yeah, continue.
Okay. Nutanam.
Good.
Bhutalam. Suchi. Dumaha. Dulihi. Bhumihi.
Good. All these are u, long vowel u. So you have to note that. Okay. Okay. Next person. Srividyaji. You can read the words below.
Namaste, Guruji. Shruda, Shrudayam, Sahriday.
No, it is Hruta, not Hruda. Hruta, Hrudayam,
Shrudayam,
Sahrudaya.
Sahriday,
Sahrudaya.
Sahridaya.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Sahridaya. Trita,
Dridha,
Tritha,
Dridhata,
Trik,
Dridhata, Dridhata.
Dridata, Drik.
Okay. Continue.
Pata likacha. Ruduhu, Rujuhu, Hrujuhu, Kripa, Guna,
Ghrna.
Trisha, Truna, Hrna,
No, it is.
Trisha,
No, it is Gr. Okay, not
Gr,
Ghrna.
Grina, Trisha, Trita,
Dridha.
Trita,
Dridha.
Drida, Krisha, Bruhat, Prutak, Tritiya, Prithvi, Matrukrupa, Matrubhasha, Amrutam, Griham, Mrikaha,
Mrigaha, not Mrika.
Mrigaha,
Yeah.
Mrigaha, Vrikaha, Krishakaha, कृपणः वृषभः मातृभूमिः नदीकूलं वृषमूलं
No.
नदीकूलं
Listen to me.
वृषमूलं
No. Listen to me. Nadi. After reading one word, you give a pause. Okay.
Okay.
Nadi Kulam Vrikshamulam. It is Nadi. The number one is Nadi. Note this. It's a long vowel E. Second thing is Vrikshamulam, not Vrishamulam. Vrikshamulam.
Okay. Okay, Guruji. नदीकूलं वृक्षमूलं नदीकूलं वृक्षमूलं माघमासः शीतवासः.
Okay, good. Next person now. Lataji, you can read.
So I read the sentence, Guruji?
Yeah. On the left hand side. Nidhaga Samayaha is there?
Nidaga Samayaha. Kakaha Vriksha Chayayam Purikam Kadati. Tada Shigalaha Ayati. Jatiti Kakaha Vriksha Sakayam Upavishati.
It is Shakayam, not Sakayam. Vriksha Shakayam.
Vriksha Shakayam Upavishati.
Vishati. Yeah.
Shrigalaha Kakam. Shrigalaha Kakam Katayati Kakaraja Ekam Geetam Gaya. Tava Geetam Ativa Maduram. Moodaha Kakaha Geetam Gayati. Purika Adaha Patati. Chaturaha Shrigalaha Purika Sahitam Davati.
Good. Next person. Meeraji, you can read. Meeraji, can you hear me? I think last time also we had the problem of the mic. Okay, we'll come back to you then. Shruti ji, you can read.
Yeah, Namaste Guruji. Yena Meshaha Keshaha Chedaha Adeshaha Tena Sheshaha Deshaha Vedaha Videshaha Eshaha Vrikshaha Vishala Vrikshaha Vrikshe Needaha Atilaghu Needaha Neede Pakshi Pitaha Pakshi Kurute Ganam Chichi Chihi Chihi Chihi.
Not Chihi, it is Chandrabindu. Chichi, chi, chi. Nasalized vowel. That E with Chandrabindu is there. It is nasalized vowel. These sounds are there in the Veda. Okay. In the Veda, you will find such nasalized vowel sound. We did not study this. It's not there. But in the Veda, such sounds are there. Yeah.
Can you repeat that, Guruji? One more time.
Chi, chi, chi. That is nasalized vowel. E with the nasal sound. E. Okay.
Chi, 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 chi.
Yeah. So in Vedic chanting, you will find some words, some sounds like this. Okay. Next person. Mekhalaji. Next. Can read. Mekhalaji, you can read on the right hand side. Yeah.
Okay. Kakara plus I, kai, saiva, yadaiva, yathaiva, tailam, daivam, naiva, tadaiva, tathaiva, chailam, naivam.
Yeah, you can read the sentences. I moved it.
Aham
Yeah.
kaha. Aham kaha. Mama janasi.
Mom. It is not mama.
Mama janasi.
It is not mama. Mom.
Okay. Mama janasi.
Mom.
Mam janasi. Aham Bharata Matuhu Veeraha Sainikaha. Aham Bharata Matuhu Veeraha Sainikaha. Dusahasi Aham Dridam Daihikam Naitikam Cha Balam Dharayami. Dusahasi Aham Dridam Daihikam Naitikam Cha Balam Dharayami. Aham Deshanuragi. Desha seva mama puja. Aham sadaiva desham rakshami. Aham dainikam samacharam pathami. Desha videshanam ghatana vishaye aham satatam jagarukah.
Good.
Desha videshanam ghatana vishaye aham satatam jagarukah.
Jagaruka.
Thank
you. Good. Next person.
Thank you.
Shivaramakrishnan ji, you can read the next slide. Shivaramakrishnan, can you unmute your mic? Shivaramakrishnan ji, are you there? Hello.
Ji, this is Meera. Is my mic muted?
Next person is Shivaramakrishnan. Okay. Yeah, Meera ji, you can read. Yeah,
Okay.
I can hear you now.
Okay.
Yes.
Pata lika cha kena anena ekena vayusena rekha petika lekani deshavasi sevam chedanam
Chedanam.
vetanam chedanam bedanam vetanam kevalam temanam melitum sevitum lekitum tejah dehah devah hetuhu megah kelah lekah vedah veshah phenah vegah sevakah vivekah lekakah nishedah veni eshah devalayah esha mama desha seva etat narikelam.
Good. Yeah.
Narikelam kada desha sevam kuru. लेख वैदेही मैथिली कैकेयी देववाणी
Daivavani. It is Dai.
दैववाणी वैतरणी हैमवती दैवात् जैनः शैवः शैलः दैनिकः वैशाखः कैलासः ऐतिहासिकः
Aitihasika. It is I.
ऐतिहासिकः वैमानिकः वैदेशिकः वैयाकरणः.
Good. Next person. Ramakrishnan ji is not there, I think. Okay. Rito ji now. Yeah. Please read.
Sure. O. कोशः योगः कोपः दोलः बोधः दोषः भोगः लोपः गोलः रोधः. अपनया दोषम. Excuse me 1 second, I need to go. 1 second. Sorry. Apanaya dosham parihar rosham.
Parihara rosham.
Parihara rosham. Puraya kosham. Kuru paritosham. Ma kuru bhogam. Ma srija rogam. Kuru yogam. Naiva viyogam.
Naiva viyogam. Good. Ramakrishnan ji.
Naiva viyogam.
Yeah, you can read now.
Yeah, yes, sir.
On the left hand side.
Yeah. Kau, Gau, Gauraha,
Kau, and after
Kautukam.
that, it is Gauhu.
Yeah. Gohu.
Gauhu.
Gohu.
Gauhu.
Gauhu.
Visarga is there, maybe not clear.
Okay. Gauraha, Kautukam, Nauham.
Tau, first one is
Pauraha.
Tau. First one is Tau. The second
Tau.
one is in the black, the box, no? Nauhu.
No, yeah.
Nauhu.
Tau, Nauhu, Pauraha, Yautukam, then Hora, Yogi. Okay, fine. Gauri Himalaya Tanaya, Sa Katoram, Sadhanam Karoti.
Now read again as a sentence.
Gauri Himalaya Tanaya, Sa Katoram Sadhanam Karoti.
Again, the second sentence.
Sa Katoram Sadhanam Karoti.
Okay.
Shivaha Amyati.
It's not it's a mistake. It is Ayati.
Ayati. Okay. Shivaha Ayati. Gauri Shivam Varayati. Shivaha Gaurim Vivahruti. Vivahati. Okay. Gauri Shivayoho. Shivayoho. Vivaha Devanam Paramam Sukham Janayati. Naradam Katayati.
Naradaha. Kathayati.
Naradaha Kathayati Ya Sati Asit Sa Adhuna Gauri. Aduna Gauri. Ya Sati Asit Sa Adhuna Gauri. Pura Shivena Sati Parinita.
Pura. It is Pura.
Pura Shivena Sati Parinita. Adhuna Shivaha Gaurim Parinayati.
Parinayati. It means he marries. Adhuna Shivaha. Okay, you can read these sentences on the right hand side also.
Okay. Hora Yogi Rogi Yojana Rotika Shodasha Katora Komala Subodha Sopanam Gopanam Shobhanam Yogasanam Choraha Goha Lobha Goha
Yeah.
Lobaha Konaha Toranaha Modakaha.
Then?
Upayogaha.
Okay, fine. Next person now. Yeah. Swati, you can read that one below that.
Okay. Gona.
Yeah.
Maukik.
Maukika.
Gona. Maukika. Bhaugolik.
Not like
Maunvati.
You cannot cut the last vowel.
Bhaugolika.
Bhaugolika.
Bhaugolika. Maunvati.
Not Maunvati.
Por Sabha.
You speak Hindi, right?
Yes.
Maunavati. Maunavati.
Okay. Maunavati.
Maunavati.
Maunvati.
Not
Maunam.
Maunavati.
Maunavati. Paurasabha.
Paurasabha. Paurasabha. Paurasabha. No cutting of vowels. Vowel sound.
Okay. Paurasabha. Maunam. Dhautam. Gauravaha. Gauravam.
You have to say Kauravaha. Gauravam. Kau. You see the difference? You see difference in sound. Kau. Gau. Gauravaha. Gauravam.
Gauravam. Yauvanam. Kaushalam. Kautuhalam. Lohaha.
Low.
Lauhaha. Chauraha. Pautraha.
Pautraha.
Pautraha. Sauchikaha. Paushmasaha.
Paushamasaha. Hindi impact is there.
Paushamasaha. Yes.
Yeah.
Paushamasaha. Shauchalayaha.
Shauchalayaha. Letter by letter.
Shauchalayaha.
Okay. Then the next person, Anandji, you can read. Some words and meanings are given. It's okay. You can read I'm not expecting you to know the meaning of the words. This is only
Namaskar.
reading. Yeah. Anandji, you only.
Okay. Okay. Ikshuhu.
Yeah.
Ikshuhu. Ikshase.
Ikshase.
Ikshase. Ruju. Ruju.
Okay.
Upayogah. Eti. Ehi. Katah. Kataah. Kati. Kalah. Kalika.
Kalika.
Kasaha. Kalika. Kasaha. Kila. Keel.
Keela.
Kuta. Keela. Kuta. Kuhakam.
Kuhakam.
Kuhakam. Khati. Khanati. Gwalaha.
Gavalaha.
Gawalaha. Gila.
Gila.
Gudaha. Gila. Gudaha. Guhase.
Guhase.
Geham. Guhase. Geham. Gohaha. Gohu.
Ghu. It is Ghukaha.
Gukaha. Chasakaha.
Chashakaha.
Chasakaha. Chipitaka.
Chipitakaha.
Chipitakaha.
Okay, next person. Sujata ji, you can read. The next column.
Thanks.
Yeah. Sujata ji, are you there?
Yes, I am there. Good morning.
Hello.
Yes, Guruji, can you
Yeah.
hear me?
Yes. Yeah, please.
Chailam, Tarala, Taruhu, Taraha, Talika, Taimanam,
Temanam, not Tai.
Temanam, Toranaha, Danshanam,
Damshanam. Damshanam.
Daha, Damshanam, Daha, Dadimam, Datimam, Dalihi, Haka.
It is.
Guruji, I do not know that.
Dhruk.
Dadimam.
Dadimam, okay. After
Dalihi.
Then Dhruk. The letter is Dhr. Remember I told this, Dakara plus R, it is written like this. Dhr. Dhruk.
Dhruk.
Yeah.
Dhr. Okay. Dhruk. Dolaha. Dauvarikaha. Dusara. Dautam. Nandati. Navanitam. Nauhu. Patalam. Pita. Brush. Bhrida.
Pritha.
वृथा पेटिका पौतः पोतः
Pota, yes.
मसि मानय मरुः मोदकः.
Good. Last person, Pradeep Kumarji, can read the next column. Pradeep Kumarji, can you hear me? Hello? Okay. Okay, I'll ask the first person to read again. Girijaji, can you read?
Yes, Guruji. Yeah. I'll just increase the font. Yapi yutakam rajakaha lambase liyase.
Okay, fine.
Lekhani.
Next person now. Manjulaji. Each of you can read five words. The last column. So Manjulaji can read the next 5.
Okay, Guruji.
Yeah. After Liyase.
Yes, Guruji. Lekhani, Vayaha, Valayaha, Vagolaha, Vatika.
Okay, next person, Prabhakarji. From window.
Is it from window? Okay. Vatayanam, Vilam, Vivahati, Vijanam, Vrkaha.
Vrkaha.
Oh, Vrkaha.
Yeah, next person now, Priyaji.
Vopa.
Yeah, next person.
Vopa.
Next person, yeah. Priyaji, can you read the next 5? After Vopa.
Straight. 1 second. Paushat.
Vaushat.
Shama.
Sham.
Paushat. Sham. Shadi. Shala. Shikaram. Shaulaha.
Shailaha.
Shailaha.
Okay, next person. Annapurnaji. You can read the next. You can read all the 6 are there. You can complete.
Just zooming a little. Okay.
Starting from
Shauchalayaha.
Okay.
Shauchalayaha.
Good.
Sadvaram.
Yes.
Sevam. Sauchikaha. Hora.
Yeah.
Hautrika.
Good.
Hautrika.
Okay, so we can stop here. We'll continue reading the next class also. Okay. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavada. Thank you.
Dhanyawada Guruji.
Dhanyawad Guru.
And remember this page
Dhanyawad,
so
Guruji.
that we can start from the next class. This page, please remember page number.
Yeah, I have protected that, Guruji, in my printed book.
Yes. So anybody wants to have some doubt.
Yes, I wanted to ask you a doubt, Guruji. I'll have to just start the video just to show what exactly I wanted to ask you.
Okay.
Where is the video? Video is not coming up. Yep. how do I show what I wanted? Like kakha gaga nya, that particular nya word is giving me a lot of trouble. Like sankata,
Mm-hmm.
in that word, it was written sa, nya, and below that ka, sankata,
Yeah.
sankataha. That's how the spelling has been written.
Yeah, yeah.
Instead of putting a dot on top, how is it we are using? Yeah, go
Where,
ahead, Guruji.
yeah, where it says instead of putting dot on the top of
Similar
ka.
to that, cha cha jaja, ini, ini, or those two are getting.
Okay. You want to
Yeah.
know? You want the pronunciation
Yeah,
of
instead
the
of putting just a
sankataha?
dot and continuing like we do in Hindi, in Sanskrit they are avoiding the dot part of pronunciation. Not only the word, but even the two letters, kakha gaga na, cha cha jaja. In Telugu we clearly say cha cha jaja ini, but it is not ini in Sanskrit. It is some other sound. That's where I'm getting a bit confused with these
See,
two
the
words.
sound is similar to the sound that ka, kha, ga, ga, nga. You close your ears
Na,
and say,
like GN, na.
you close your ears and say nga, the nasal sound, that is nga. Ka, kha, ga, ga, nga. You produce sound with your nose, that is nga. Then the second one, cha, cha, ja, ja. You close your nose and produce a sound. Yeah.
Cha, ja, ja, yeah. Oh, okay.
So that's a difference in sound. Okay. So sang
I mean,
kataha.
I get
Yeah.
confused with sankataha. No, first one I lost. Sankataha. It is more like ga. It is sounding like ga. Kaka ga.
Ka,
It's sounding more like ka, ga, gha, nga.
nga. It is nga, sankataha. But when you say, it will be sankataha. You say sankataha. It looks like
Is it
nakara.
like something?
It looks like nakara, but it is not
Is
nakara.
it something like GNA sound in English? No.
Yeah, yes. GNA, yes.
It is more like GNA, but not exactly the N sounding there. No.
Yes. Sangataha. When we don't say sangataha, sangataha. Sankata. Sankata. It looks like the sound is na sound. That N sound is a sang. Nakara sound is a
Sankataha. And cha cha ja ja ni, you said close the nose.
It is yeah. That is closing the nose. Whatever the sound comes, that is
Okay. Yeah. So that's why when nani. And there is one more word, akunchanam. For akunchanam, instead of writing cha completely, it was used with nya and cha together. So there was no dot on top. Akunjanam.
Okay, the dot on the top we will see later. Yeah, I am.
Nya and cha
Understood your doubt. Yeah, a dot on the top. Some books you will find dot on the top.
Yeah, it is interchangingly. Yeah.
That
either it is dot on the top.
Dot on the top was some books they use, and some books they don't use dot on the top. They use it sankataha.
Janani. And the words are being made.
There are rules are there. But actually the dot should not be there. Actually, according to the rule, that
that's not
na should be. Say okay. Let us take the word Shankara. Sham ja and dot on the top. We don't actually. It is not on the top. It is Shankaraha. There's a rule by the rule that the dot is converted to nga. Okay, those are rules part. You will see that later. But when it is written, you have to understand it is Shankara, not.
All right. Only I had this, especially the sound part of it. I was.
Understand? Yeah.
Yeah, like I was wondering if we were given some kind of a dictation, which one exactly do I write? Is it with a dot or is it with nya and
With nya, and
That's what I was wondering.
yes.
Like I tried to, I downloaded the book and printed it, the workbook that you have sent us.
Okay.
In that Shrutva, yeah, Adalika cha Shrutva Likha, I tried to say it aloud and then without looking at it, I tried to write on a piece of paper. That's where I got stuck with some of this kind of spellings.
Yeah.
I thought I'd raise it with you during the class.
Yeah, that's right. So
if there are rules, I'll wait for the rules to come up.
Yeah. So when I give you dictation, when I say the word, I will say Shankara, not Shamkara. I won't say Sham.
Oh.
I will say Shankara, Sankata.
Shankara.
Right?
Yeah.
So I will Akunchanam. I won't say Akumchanam. Not ku with the dot. Akunchanam.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. That is,
so we have to be very careful when we
that's a right way to write also. That is.
It's like, Anguli.
Yes.
Shankala,
it is Anguli, not Amkuli. Right? Anguli we don't say.
Anguli is that finger. Like
Yes.
Ring.
Yes. We don't say Amguli. We say Anguli. So nga should be there.
Ng, ng, ng,
Anguli. NG sound. Yes, exactly.
Shrinkala.
Yes.
Ankuraha, Sanghaha.
Yes, exactly.
Sankata.
Yes.
Patangaha. I just collected all these letters from the workbook and I was trying. No, I'm not getting this right here.
That is the right thing. So that's the right thing. Okay. It's a good question.
All right. Thanks.
That's the right thing.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. That was all I had.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Namaste. Thank you.
Namaste, Guruji.